This is Chandra Chemistry online chemistry class. In this video we are going to discuss about atoms and molecules, unit 7, standard 10th, session 3. Last two videos already we have discussed so many terms in this lesson. Once again we revise that terms and then go to today's class. First term, atom. An atom is defined as the smallest unit that retain the properties of an element. This smallest particle of an element, which may or may not have an independent existence but always takes place in a chemical reaction. So, atom consists of three fundamental type of particles, that is protons, electrons and neutrons. Neutrons and protons have approximately the same mass. Compared to this, electron mass is negligible. Protons carrying a positive charge. Electron is negatively charged. A neutron has no charge. An atom is containing equal number of protons and electrons, and therefore overall an atom has no charge. The center of the atom is called as nucleus. The nucleus is containing neutrons and protons that have an atom, its weight and positive charge. The electrons occupy the region of space around the nucleus. Next term, modern atomic theory. The main postulates of modern atomic theory are: an atom is no longer indivisible after the discovery of electrons, protons and neutrons. Atoms of the same element may have different atomic mass, same atomic number, that is called as isotopes. Atoms of different element may have same atomic mass, different atomic number, that is called as isobars. Atom of one of element can be translated into atom of other elements, that is called as artificial transmutation. Atoms are combined together to form a molecules. So if the formation of molecules, atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. So atom is a smallest particle that take part in the chemical reaction. Mass of an atom can be converted into energy. According to Einstein law, E is equal to mc square. Next term, atomic number. Atomic number means the number of protons in a nucleus, which is always equal to number of electrons. So, atoms always neutral charge. Next term, mass number. Mass number means total number of protons and neutrons. So, mass number means number of protons and number of neutrons. Let us take X is the symbol of element, Z is represent atomic number, A is represent mass number. Atomic number means number of protons. Mass number means sum of number of protons and number of neutrons. For example, carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12. This is the representation of an element. Next term, isotopes. Isotope of a given element have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Next term, isotopes. Isotope of a given element have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons. That means same atomic number, different mass number. Average atomic mass. Average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the masses of its naturally occurring isotopes. Formula: average atomic mass equal to mass of first isotope into percentage of abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second isotope. Oxygen atom has three different isotopes. Isotope means same atomic number, different atomic mass. Now we are going to calculate average atomic mass of oxygen atom. Average atomic mass is equal to mass of first isotope into percentage of abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second isotope plus mass of third isotope into percentage of abundance of third isotope. Mass of first isotope is 15.9949 into percentage of first isotope. Oxygen 16th isotope is 99.757 percentage, so divided by 100 plus second isotope mass is 16.9991 into abundance percentage 0.038 divided by 100. Third isotope mass 17.9992 into abundance 0.205 percentage divided by 100. So that is equal to 15.9949 into 0.99757 plus 16.9991 into 0.00038 plus 17.9992 into 0.00205, that is equal to 15.9560 plus 0.00646 plus 0.03689, that is equal to 15.9. Unit of average atomic mass, AMU. So average atomic mass of oxygen equal to 15.999 AMU. Next problem of boron atom. Boron has two different isotopes. One is boron 10, another one is boron 11. Percentage of abundance of boron 10 is 20. Percentage of abundance of boron 11 is 80. You are well known. Average atomic mass formula. Average atomic mass is equal to mass of first isotope into percentage of first isotope abundance plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second isotope. So that is equal to mass of first isotope, here 10, into percentage of abundance of first element is 20. This is percentage, so divided by 100 plus mass of second isotope boron 11, so 11 into percentage of abundance 80 divided by 100, that is equal to 10 into 0.20 plus 11 into 0.80, that is equal to 2 plus 8.8, that is equal to 10.8 AMU. AMU is the unit of average atomic mass. Next problem. An element which exists as a mixture of 50% of an isotope having a mass of 9 AMU and 50% of another isotope having a mass of 10 AMU. Average atomic mass formula: mass of first isotope into percentage of abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage of abundance of second isotope. Therefore, average atomic mass of this element equal to 9 into 50 by 100 plus 10 into 50 by 100. That is equal to 4.5 plus 5. That is equal to 9.5 AMU. AMU is a unit of average atomic mass. Next topic, molecule. A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by strong chemical force of attraction. That is called as chemical bonds. So, molecule is a combination of two or more atoms. That is classified into different types. That is homoatomic molecules, heteroatomic molecule, polyatomic molecules. Depending upon the number of and nature of atoms presented in the molecules. Homoatomic molecule means the molecule is made up of similar kind of atoms. That is called as homoatomic molecules. Homo means same. So, same kind of atoms combined together, that is forming a molecule. That type of molecule is called as homoatomic molecules. Heteroatomic molecules means the molecule that consists of atoms of different elements. That is called as heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means different. So, different element atoms are combined together to form a molecules. That is comes under the category heteroatomic molecules. Another one type is polyatomic molecules. If a molecule is containing more than 3 atoms, that is maybe same or different, then it is called as polyatomic molecules. So, depending upon the number of atoms presented in the molecules, another one term also we are used, that is atomicity. Atomicity means the number of atoms presented in the molecules. That is called as atomicity. So, homoatomic molecule means same kind of atoms combined together to form a molecule. Heteroatomic molecule means different elements of an atom combined together to form heteroatomic molecule. If more than 3 atoms combined together to form a molecules, that is called as polyatomic molecule. The number of atoms presented in the molecule is called as. Depends on the atomicity. Molecules are further classified as monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, polyatomic. If atomicity is 1, that means number of atoms present in the molecule is 1. That is comes under the category monoatomic. If atomicity is 2, that means number of atoms presented in the molecule is 2. That is comes under the category diatomic. If atomicity is 3, that means number of atoms presented in molecule is 3. That is called as triatomic molecule. If atomicity is greater than 3, that means number of atoms presented in atom is greater than 3. That is called as polyatomic molecule. For example, hydrogen chloride. This molecule is containing 2 atoms. One is hydrogen, another one is chlorine. 2 different atoms are present. So, that is called as heterodiatomic molecule. 2 atoms are present. So, diatomic. 2 different atoms. So, hetero. 2 atoms are present. So, that is indicate di. So, heterodiatomic molecule. Another one example, water. Water molecular formula H2O. So, this is also heteroatomic molecule, but atomicity is 3 because 1 oxygen atom, 2 hydrogen atom. Therefore, atomicity 3. Therefore, water is a heterotriatomic molecule. So now we are going to classify the following molecules based on their atomicity. First one is fluorine. Molecular formula F2. How many atoms are present? 2. Same atom or different atom? Same atom. So, atomicity 2. Classification homodiatomic molecule. Next molecule is carbon dioxide. Molecular formula CO2. How many atoms are present? 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atom. Therefore, atomicity 3. 2 different atoms are present. Therefore, that is heterotriatomic molecule. Phosphorus. Molecular formula P4. How many atoms are present? 4. All the atoms are same. So, atomicity 4. Type homopolyatomic molecule. Sulfur. Atomic number. Thank you.